So over here, I am in the expert mode, as you can see right here. And if I were to go around onto the project assets panel, then you can see that I got different sort of medias right here. But over time, what you may have is you may have more and more medias. And to make it more manageable, you may want to go around and add them out into folders. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the more option and then click on new folder. And here you can see that new folder is added in over here, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go around and say, let's say for example, a name is as set1. And once you do that, you can go around and click and drag out different media files over here onto the set1 folder. Similarly, I'm going to go around and click on right click and then create out, let's say for example, set2 right here. And then you can go around and move them out over here in the folder just like this as well. And you can right click over here and here you can see that new folder is an option again, and you can go around and set it as set3. So you can go around and bring this in, as you can see right here. You can go around and click and drag it out. So this is set1, as you can see right over here, and this is what you have. And once you go into the folder, you can click on this one right here to go to the root folder right here, just like this. And inside the folder as well, you can create another folder over here, just like this, and then go around onto the top. If I were to go around onto the panel option, you can go around and go to the list view right here, and you can expand out the media right here in different sets, as you can see, and you can go around and access out the media just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and arrange out medias in folder inside of Project Panel, inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.